a song.
Sing, sing.
Come on and sing the song.
Sing, sing.
Sing it out.
Sing,
Sing it strong.
sing, sing.
Call the sun in the dead of the night, and the sun gonna rise in the sky. Touch a man who can't walk upright, and that lame man, he gonna fly. And I fly, and I fly, and I Oh, you beautiful doll, you great big beautiful doll. Let me put my arms about you. I could never live without you. Oh, you beautiful doll, you great big beautiful doll. If you ever leave me, how my heart will ache. I wanna hug you, but I'm scared you'll break. Oh, 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 you beautiful doll. Oh, you beautiful doll, you great and big and beautiful doll. Won't you let me put my arms about you? I just could never live without you. Oh, you beautiful doll, you great big beautiful doll. If you'd ever leave me, how my heart will ache. I wanna hug you, but I'm scared you'll break. Oh, oh, child. Her daddy they call hard times. Friday's child, that's me. Friday's child, Friday's child, born a little ugly. Friday's child, Friday's child, good looks passed her by. Friday's child makes something look like nothing. Friday's child am I. They'll forget to bury Friday's child am I. Yeah. The more I see you, the more I want you. Somehow this feeling just grows and grows. With every sigh I become more mad about you, more lost without you, and so it goes. Can you imagine how much I love you? The more I see you as years go by, I know the only one for me can only be you. My arms won't free you, and my heart won't try. Can you imagine how much I love you? The more I see you as years go by, I know the only one for me can only be you. My arms won't free you, and my heart won't try. Kinky love, kinky, I'm mad about you, kinky love. I need you so bad, I need you, kinky love. Kinky, you're all that I've been thinking of. Kinky, take me inside and let the honey slide. I need you, kinky love. Good to me, kinky, do all the things you should to me. Wake up the love asleep inside of me. Open the gates and let the river free. Oh, kinky, take me inside and let the honey slide. I need your kinky love. Late at night in my bed as I lie here somewhere in limbo land, half awake, half asleep, halfway someplace else. I know I should be sleeping, but how can I close my eyes when you know I understand you're a man and you got to have your kinky love. Hey, don't you know I understand you're a man and you just got to have your kinky love. Kinky love, kinky, I'm mad about your kinky love. Oh, kinky, be bad, I want your kinky love. Kinky, it's all that I've been thinking of. Oh, kinky, take me inside and let the honey slide. I need your kinky love. Oh, kinky, take me inside and let the honey slide. I need your kinky love. Take me inside and let the honey slide. I need your kinky love. Don't talk to strangers on the bus. You know that could be dangerous. Don't walk on sticks or stones. Don't answer ringing phones. You know I've got to worry till you bring your groovy self on home to me. Don't take up with no alley cat. They really don't know where it's at. Don't fall or trip on things. Stay away from happenings. You know I've got to worry till you bring your groovy self on home to me. Oh, be careful walking down the street. You to me. Get your groovy self on home. Somebody else, but tonight you belong to me. And though we're apart, you're part of my heart. And tonight you belong to me. Way down along the stream, how sweet it will seem once more just to dream in the moonlight. My honey, I know with the dawn that you will be gone, but tonight you belong to me. Way down along the stream, how very, very sweet it will seem once more just to dream in the silvery moonlight. My honey, I know with the dawn that you will be gone, but tonight you belong to me, just to little old me. June, July, and August, find my love and then make his heart be part of summer once again. June, July, and August, whisper in his ear that I love him even more than I did last year. Picnics, boat rides, in a breathless world we'll be. Carnival rides, flying as high as the eye can see. Oh, June, July, and August, my three summer friends, all the love we shared before, please let us share again. But this time, don't let summer ever You're not a dream, you're not an angel, You're a man. I'm not a queen, I'm a woman. Take my hand, we'll make a space in the lives that we planned, and here we'll stay until it's time for you to go. Yes, we're different, worlds apart, we're not the same. We laughed and played at the start like in a game. You could have stayed outside my heart, but in you came, and here you'll stay until it's time for you to go. Don't ask why. Don't ask how. Don't ask forever of me. Love me, just love me now. This love of mine had no beginning, and it has no end. I was an oak, but now I'm a willow. Now I can bend. You're not a dream, you're not an angel, you're a man. I'm not a queen, I'm a woman. Just take my hand, we'll make a space in the lives that we planned, and here we'll stay until it's time for you to go. Until it's time for you to go. Mothers, lock your daughters in. It's too late to talk to them, 'cause Tony Rome is out and about. And Tony Rome will get 'em if you don't watch out. Tony Rome will get 'em if you don't watch out. Pussycats that run astray, he will bring them back today, 'cause Tony Rome is out and about. And Tony Rome will find 'em if you don't watch out. Tony Rome will find 'em if you don't watch out. Love is for those who have the time to. Rome is for those who are inclined to. Ladies' hearts or diamond rings are not very special things when Tony watch out. Love is for those who have the time to, and Rome is for those who are inclined to. Ladies' hearts or diamond rings are not very special things when Tony Rome is out, yeah, and about. 'Cause Tony Rome will grab 'em if you don't watch out. Tony Rome will take 'em if you don't watch out. Watch out! I hear the cottonwoods whispering above. Tammy, Tammy, Tammy's in love. The old hooty owl hooty hoots to the dove. Tammy, Tammy, Tammy's in love. Does my lover feel what I feel when he comes near? My heart beats so joyfully, you'd think that he could hear. Wish I knew if he knew what I'm dreaming of. Tammy, Tammy, Tammy's in love. When the night is warm, safe and warm, I long for his charms. I'd sing like a violin if I were in his arms. Wish I knew if he knew what I'm dreaming of. Tammy, Tammy, Tammy's in love. Tammy's in love. Every time I start to leave, you step right in front of me. You keep screaming like I'm 20 miles away. Now you've been talking pretty rough, and I think I've heard enough. So step aside, you're standing in my way. Step aside, you're standing in my way. You might as well quit talking. I can't hear a word that you say. in San Francisco Bay. I've seen the Empire State and walked down Old Broadway. I've seen those northern lights in some Alaskan town. Since I saw you with her, I move around. I've seen a movie star at Hollywood and Vine. I've seen the Zanzibar and heard the Big Ben chime. I've seen the Eiffel and I've been in New Cape Town. Since I saw you with her, I move. Yeah, I move around. I've seen a matador in Barcelona cry. I've seen old Singapore, the bridge on River Kwai. I've seen the Mardi Gras and been in one-horse towns. Since I saw you with her, I move. Baby, I move around. I keep moving around. I keep on moving around. I move around.
I know I stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening with me. And if we go someplace to dance, I know that there's a chance you won't be leaving with me. Then afterwards we drop into a quiet little place and have a drink or two. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. I can see it in your eyes that you despise the same old lies you heard the night before. And though it's just a line to you, for me it's true and never seemed so right before. Practice every day to find some clever lines to say to make the meaning come true. But then I think I'll wait until the evening gets late and I'm alone with you. The time is right, your perfume fills my head, the stars get red and oh the night's so blue. Then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. The time is right, your perfume fills my head, the stars get red and oh the night's so blue. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you.
wishing and hoping and thinking and praying, planning and dreaming his kisses.